In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a new matter in Clio, the popular legal practice management software. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your workflow, setting up a new matter correctly is crucial for keeping your cases organized and ensuring everything runs smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, after logging into your Clio account, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for today's task, we're going to focus on the Matters section. Once you click on Matters, you'll notice a New Matter button prominently displayed in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to start the process of creating a new matter. Now, you'll be prompted to select or create the client contact associated with this new case. It's important to ensure that you have the correct client information, since this will be central to your matter. If your client is already in the system, you can simply select their name from the list. However, if it's a new client, take a moment to create a contact for them, ensuring all their details are accurate. This step is crucial because having precise client information helps prevent any mix-ups later on. Next, you'll need to type in a descriptive name for the matter. This name should be detailed enough to distinguish it from other cases, yet concise enough to be easily recognizable at a glance. A good example might be something like Smith, personal injury. This not only identifies the client, but also the nature of the case, which is particularly helpful for quick searches and organization. Once you've named your matter, it's time to set the practice area. This helps categorize the matter according to your firm's areas of expertise, making it easier to track and manage similar cases. Be sure to select the appropriate practice area that aligns with the case type you are handling. After setting the practice area, it's important to choose the billing method. Clio offers several options here: hourly, flat fee, or contingency. Depending on your agreement with the client, select the method that applies. If it's hourly, make sure to input the specific attorney rates so that your billing is accurate and transparent from the get-go. This will save you a lot of time and potential confusion down the line when it comes to invoicing. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes that could cause issues later. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Save Matter. This action will officially create and open the new file, and you'll be ready to proceed with managing your case within Clio. There you have it. Creating a new matter in Clio is as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your legal practice organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on getting the most out of Clio.